Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this perfume bottle, fog perfume bottle. I'm going to model it and texture it in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render of fog perfume bottle. This is very simple model to model. So this is our models. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.